How to solve color bleeding and ghosting in the pattern during printing.
Step 1. Place a piece of white paper over the sock and print the color registration calibration chart. Step 2. In the printing software, locate color registration calibration and click print. Step 3. Check the calibration pattern. 0 is the best value. All colors need to be adjusted to the 0 position. Step 4. Check the calibration pattern. See which value is the best, and then modify the corresponding value in the software. Step 5. After making the modifications, click print and check the calibration pattern. You can now see all the colors. 0 is the optimal setting. With that, the adjustment is complete. You can see that, after adjustment, the edges of the pattern have no bleeding and no misalignment. Subsequent printing can then proceed.